Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a diligent and industrious colony of bees. Led by their wise and caring queen, the bees had an important role in maintaining the balance and harmony of their ecosystem. The bees understood that their primary task was to gather nectar from flowers, and in the process, unknowingly, they carried pollen from one flower to another, facilitating pollination. They had long been recognized as crucial pollinators for field crops, but they knew their responsibility extended far beyond that. In their forest home, tall trees stood proudly, providing shelter and nourishment to countless creatures. The bees recognized the vital role these trees played in maintaining the ecosystem's health. They understood that regrowth and diversity were of prime importance to ensure a sustainable environment. Every morning, as the sun's golden rays kissed the forest, the bees would set out on their pollination journey. They flitted from one flower to another, delicately collecting nectar while transferring pollen grains along the way. They didn't discriminate among trees, shrubs, or plants. Whether it was a majestic oak, a blooming cherry blossom, or a humble wildflower, the bees pollinated them all with equal dedication. Their work was not limited to the grandeur of the forest. They ventured into meadows, gardens, and orchards, ensuring that fruits, vegetables, and flowers would flourish. Their tiny wings tirelessly carried them from one blossom to the next, painting the world in vibrant colors and spreading life wherever they went. The bees knew that their efforts were instrumental in producing seeds, fruits, and new saplings. By facilitating pollination, they allowed trees and plants to reproduce, ensuring the regrowth and continuation of their forest home. They took pride in knowing that their buzzing wings were vital to the survival of the entire ecosystem. But the bees' work did not stop there. They also played a crucial role in maintaining biodiversity. As they visited different plants, they unknowingly transferred pollen from one species to another, fostering genetic diversity and helping to create resilient and adaptable plant populations. In their tireless mission, the bees experienced the wonders of nature. They witnessed the delicate dance between flowers and insects, the delicate balance of life, and the interconnectedness of all living beings. Their dedication to pollination was not just a duty, it was a labor of love for the environment they called home. The forest flourished under the care of the bees. The trees stood tall and strong, providing shade and refuge for countless creatures. The flowers bloomed in vibrant hues, attracting bees and other pollinators to continue the cycle of life. And the ecosystem thrived, with a symphony of biodiversity singing in harmony. The story of the bees and their vital role as pollinators spread far and wide. People began to realize that the bees' work extended beyond field crops. They understood that the survival and growth of almost all trees, shrubs, and plants relied on the humble efforts of these tiny creatures. Inspired by the bees, communities around the world came together to protect and preserve their habitats. They created gardens filled with native plants, providing safe havens for bees and other pollinators. They embraced sustainable farming practices that value the contributions of these incredible insects. And they celebrated the bees as ambassadors of environmental stewardship. Thanks to the bees' unwavering commitment, the world flourished. Their story became a testament to the power of small creatures making a significant impact. And as long as there were bees buzzing through fields and forests, the beauty and abundance of nature would continue to thrive.